As soon as December rolls around every year, I am totally done with the current year and ready to plan all my hopes and dreams and goals for the next year. So that's why the whole process begins with my vision board. And I thought today I will take you along in my journey to create a vision board for the year 2022. If you're new here, hi, I'm Ahana, and here on my channel we talk about all things related to stationery, planners, productivity, organization, and trying to live your best life. So if that interests you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So traditionally, when you make vision boards, the whole idea is that you take a bunch of magazines, you cut out, people that you want to look like, things that you want to own, lives that you want to live, and take those cutouts and paste them together on a big board and keep it in front of you every single day and look at it. And then, that's how you realign yourself every single day to your goals. While that is a great idea, I feel like it's very difficult for us to always find exactly what we are looking for in a magazine, right? And that's not always a realistic idea anyway. So the way I do it is I first write down all of the things that I want for myself for the upcoming year, and I try to make it little realistic and a little bit in the dream realm. So I want to stretch a little bit, but it can't be too outrageous that I am not motivated at all. So that's how I plan it. I will just write down a few of my goals, and then I will try to find pictures that match what I have written, instead of first finding pictures and then aligning them to what I would like to do. So I will just show you how I do that on Pinterest, and it's very, very simple. I will first collect all the pictures, and then I will show you how you can transform the pictures into a collage so that you can make it like your iPad desktop or even phone wallpaper, so that it's front and center and you can look at it every day. Cool? Let's get started. For this year, my main goals are to have a fit body. For that, I will need to exercise regularly and also eat healthy. So I will find pictures that relate to that, or also I will find pictures that are more suited to my body type and not like an Instagram supermodel, because that's not what I am. So I'm just gonna look for like a healthy, fit person. Next is I want to be financially independent and I need to spend within my means. So for that, I will look pictures related to budgeting, maybe something like a savings challenge or something. That is something that I can implement. So I will put that, because I really want to analyze, track, and monitor my finances this year. I want to pay off a lot of my student loans this year, and I want to do some intelligent investments. So that is something that is on my goals list. So I will try to do that. Next, there is learn cooking, which kind of ties in with the healthy, fit body thing, but also like I'm probably going to move out later next year. So for that, I really want to learn some basic cooking skills, and so that I'm not always ordering out and I know how to feed myself. Next is really want to live independently, so I want to capture pictures that kind of show that responsibility and freedom kind of a thing. Next is I want to study a few things. So like I want to study about data science. I want to stay up to date with marketing and Web3 and what is happening in the crypto and NFT world, things like that. So I will put some images that correspond to that. And finally, I want to also put in pictures related to planning and journaling within this vision board, because that's a practice that I really enjoy and I want to keep up with it. So these are like broadly the things that I will be looking for. So I will put in the screen recording now and show you how I find the pictures. So now we can create our vision board. Here I will look for pins first related to the fitness category, and I will create a board and save the pins to that. So I will just find pins which are more in alignment with what I want to see myself as. I will focus on things related to workout and healthy meals and just staying fit in general. So here are a few meals which are also Indian, so I can actually go back to these links and check them out. Now I'm looking at study inspiration, travel inspiration, and other things like the girls trip, which I wrote down on my goals board. So I will find things that match what I want to feel like. I really want to feel freedom and financial freedom, and just try to be debt free. So these things which align with my goals, I will find them and put them in my vision board. Once I have my vision board, I can always go to the more ideas section on Pinterest and find more images that align with my goals and take more inspiration from them. After searching Pinterest, the images which I love the most, I'm going to download them on my computer and go to Canva and search for desktop wallpapers. Now, Canva has a variety of templates to choose from, but here, since I already have my pictures, I'll pick a blank template and then I will look at all of the images that I have downloaded, and here you can upload media. So here I've uploaded the images already, and now I will just take the pictures and place them in a way that makes the most sense for me. And since the dimension is exactly the same as your wallpaper, it will fit perfectly and it will look very nice. You take your time, there's no need to rush this, and I think this is a very fun exercise to do. So, and if this is your wallpaper, you look at it every single day, and this will remind you of all of your goals and what you're working towards. And I think this is a really nice way to introduce more positivity in your life. Once you are happy with the result, you can download it and save it and then set as wallpaper, and you're done with the desktop version. For the phone wallpaper version, we basically do the exact same thing. Canva has a lot of templates for phones as well, and we will just look for maybe a background that would look nice with the theme of your vision board. And here we are doing the same thing. We just pick out the pictures that we want on our phone that we need to see, more regularly, and we keep all of them, arrange them in a way that looks the best, and download and use as wallpaper. So that's how you make a vision board and put it up as wallpapers on your devices so that it's front and center, you see it all the time. And I hope you really enjoyed this, and I hope you'll give it a try. And if you do, please show it to me on my Instagram, and I have my handle down below. And I loved sharing this with you. I hope you took some value from it. If you liked it, please don't forget to hit the like button so I know that these are the kind of videos that you enjoy, and I'll make more of these. Yeah, that's about it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.